getting a new rear body panel.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already up. So when you just getting out of
I have a Acura RDX here. This one got hit across the back here. It's getting a new liftgate and it's getting a new rear body panel. You can see how this is all crushed all throughout here, and these bottom plates are all bent up. So I have my new panel right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this one apart. So I went ahead and I cut this chunk out of this rear body panel because I have to get to these welds inside of here, and I can get to them from this side, but it's going to be kind of hard to get a straight shot with a drill. So I cut open this side and I'm going to just grind them from this side. Be a lot easier. There it is. Well, this rear body panel is all fit into place. It fits like a glove, all prepped out, ready to go. So it is ready to weld. I will weld it in first thing in the morning. But that's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.